Are you ready?
Ooh, I know you see me standing here. Do I look good, my dear? Do I look good today? Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm just another kind of girl, and you wanna see my world. So come and run away. Yeah, yeah. If you wanna play, come and play today. Let's just get away. Yeah, I will make you see all the things that you can be.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm on the other side of my hangout room because I thought it would be cool to switch things up a little bit. Today I got my makeup bag in the mail and I thought I would unbox it on here for you guys today and do a little product review of the products inside and put them on. I already did a little bit of makeup today, but we're going to test the products in here. So this is the makeup bag. It's super cute. It's gold sequins. The zipper's gold and it's got like a black tassel for the zipper. So we open it up and the first thing we got is this Sugar Contour De-Force Mini Bronzer, and it's in the 02 Wanda. It looks like this packaging. And then open it up. It's super cute. It's blue. And it looks like this. And I'm going to go ahead and put it on. I got my mirror, and I got my old brush that I just used for my other bronzer that I wear every day, and I'm just going to put it all over my face. See how well this works. So I think it made a little bit of a difference. I don't look that much darker, but it definitely worked a little bit. The next product we got is some blush. Comes in this little packaging, and then you open it up, and it's in Skinny Dip. And it looks like this. It's a really pretty color. I'm going to grab my blush brush. We're gonna apply that on my cheeks. Ooh, you guys, this is such a pretty blush. It's not super pink. But it definitely is super cute. If you guys can see, I love. And then the next thing is this brush. I think it's a shadow brush. I'm not really sure. I'm not really good with makeup, so I don't know. But this is the Ferrera in 35S, and it looks like this. It's super soft. I'd probably use that for eyeshadow. And then we got this Ouai, I don't know how to say that, O-U-A-I, hair care scalp and body scrub, and it smells like coconut, and it's just this clear scrub like this. It smells really good. Smells like coconut and like shea butters. And then we got this Dr. Lip Tint with sweet potato pigment. A 100% natural moisturizing color tint for your lips and glossy bits formulated on Dr. Lip's award-winning balm for its long-lasting moisturizing effect. Tinted with 100% natural plant pigments. Super kissable. Alright, so we'll go ahead and wipe this lipstick off that I already have on with my trusted makeup wipes that I got right here. Just wipe that off. Alright, and let's try this tint, shall we? So, there's no color to it. It just makes your lips super shiny. You could probably put it on over another lipstick. I'm not really sure on how I feel about it. I don't like sticky things on my lips, so I'm going to wipe that off. Alright, and the last product is this frozen lipstick. I'm not missing out, it says. Frozen lipstick. It's a high shine lipstick with a touch of shimmer. It is sure to attract the eye, featuring a dash of mint and a subtle tingle for a perfectly pash-worthy pout. Hashtag bae, hashtag kisses, hashtag couple goals. Ooh. You guys, this is pretty. Runway Red. It's in. Holy fuck, guys, this smells like mint. Oh my god, it smells so good. It looks like this. It's super pretty, like red shimmer. Let's try this on. Ooh, I love how it goes on. It goes on very smooth and soft. Oops. Oh, just my luck. Lipstick all over my pants. And this is what the lipstick looks like. It's super cute. I can feel the tingle. All I smell is mint, and it's super amazing. Anyway, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please give it a big thumbs up. Leave me some comments down below of what you guys like to see next. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Those will be linked down below. And I'll speak to you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.